Why reviews are the best way to get more customers for your business. Here are some facts. 97% of people read reviews before choosing a business. That's practically everyone. 72% of people use Google to find a business. Businesses with at least 200 reviews generate twice the revenue. 94% of people have said a bad review has convinced them to avoid a business. 58% of people will pay more to support a business with good reviews. 72% of people asked to do a review will do so if it's easy. Given two products or services with similar ratings, consumers are more likely to go with the one with better reviews. Customers require a business to have at least 40 reviews before they believe the average star rating. 85% of people think that reviews 3 months or older are irrelevant. Reviews make people 71% more comfortable purchasing from a business. Amazon.com has taught customers to believe what other customers say, not what a business tells them. Amazon.com has taught consumers to go with the most reviews and best star ratings. This is transferred to any review on any site. Reviews push businesses up on search engines, so you'll be found faster if you keep getting fresh reviews. People used to think they didn't need a www address and the internet was not that important. Reviews have been around for 10 years, and in the last 2, reviews have doubled the previous 10. Reviews are becoming the main factor anyone chooses one business over another one. Our software makes it easy to get your business more reviews on autopilot. Ask us for a demo today.